have the while loop here. And basically it says while something is true, it will do whatever code you ask it to. The interesting thing about a while loop is that it's sort of waiting for something external to tell it when to stop, either a break or a change in the conditions or whatever, but the conditions don't change inherent to the loop, and that's a little different. For example, in this one, we've got a variable called x, where we start out with x equals 1, and we say while x is less than 4, we're going to print something, and then we're going to increment x, adding 1 to it until it is no longer less than 4, and then we stop the loop. But you can see x is not changed by itself. If I forget this, x will stay 1 forever, and it'll just print forever. So the loop is waiting for something external to tell it when to stop. So if we want to draw that out in a visual way, right, we've got x is set to 1 here, and we're asking the question, is x less than 11? As long as it's less than 11, we say yes, we're going to print it, we're going to increase x by 1, and then we go back to the loop and we ask the question again. And it's going to continue on. And as soon as the answer is no, then we execute our normal code. Okay, so that is a while loop.